This ever happened to you? You're sitting in the doctor's office, they just took all your clothes, and now you have to put on that old, embarrassing hospital gown. You know the one that exposes your backside. To put the gown on, you have to reach behind your neck and back to even find the ties. This can be extremely difficult if you have limited range of motion, and after a while, you might just give up. And there you are, with your backside totally exposed, sitting in the cold doctor's office. How embarrassing. But now there's a hospital gown that meets the needs of the medical professional as well as the patient. It's the Privacy Preferred hospital gown. The gown is designed by Dr. Brian Kerr, an anesthesiologist. It's 2 panels that are attached at the shoulders with snaps, slides over the head like a poncho. The patient tucks the gown in on the sides as they bring the ties around and tie the gown in the front. With the ties in the front, the Privacy Preferred hospital gown is easy to put on. Extra fabric on the sides allow the front and back panels to cross under the arms, so there's no risk of exposing the side or breast, regardless of the patient's size. The gown comes in color-coded sizes ranging from pediatrics, teenage or small adults, and bariatric are 300-pound plus patients. The Privacy Preferred hospital gown is perfect for pregnant women or nursing mothers. New mothers can nurse the baby on one side, snap that side up, and then nurse the baby on the other side. The Privacy Preferred hospital gown gives medical personnel complete lateral access to the body while the patient remains covered. Assessments and procedures, which would be awkward through a traditional gown's fabric, such as wound dressing changes, maintaining chest tube placement, heart monitoring, and more, can now be easily performed without having to uncover the patient. Now every patient can control their privacy with the Privacy Preferred hospital gown. A major benefit of the Privacy Preferred hospital gown's patented design is that it allows immediate access to the chest, side, and torsos in just a few seconds with only a tug and doesn't destroy the gown. That's 3 seconds, start to finish. The old hospital gown design presents many problems for ER and OR staff, especially if the patient has been sedated or is unconscious. The doctors, often with the assistance of 3 or 4 staff members, must find which side of the patient has the gown ties. Roll the patient over and then untie the gown ties. That is, if the gown isn't knotted. Otherwise, they have to find their scissors, then cut the waist and neck ties in order to gain access to the patient, wasting valuable time. In a code, that's 3 seconds, start to finish.
Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Kerr, inventor of the Privacy Preferred gown. I've always wondered whether the inventor of the traditional hospital gowns actually ever even put one of those gowns on. The design of the Privacy Preferred gown helps patients feel more secure, no more confusion as to whether to put the gown on as a robe or leave it open in the back. It also eliminates the awkwardness of the impossible to reach tie strings. Doctors and nurses will enjoy the unique lateral opening, which allows for complete and easy access from either side of the patient. Snap closures over the shoulders allow for easy access to the chest and the back. The quick and full access to the patients is allowed from the easy-to-remove front panel in emergency situations. I know that the Privacy Preferred gown can be a great asset for your hospital or clinic. The real test is to put on one of your traditional gowns in your underwear and see how comfortable you feel. Then try on the Privacy Preferred gown. I know you'll feel more comfortable, and so will your patients.